to see something ugly? Hey, you want to see something handsome?
He blushes.
No, thanks for letting me know.
Hey guys, how do I say it? How do I start it? Hey guys,
It's me.
okay wait, let's do it all at the same time. 1, 3.
Hi.
Hey guys, Izzy here, and today we're on our way. Well, not yet. We're sitting in the driveway of my house waiting to leave.
Almost a parking lot.
The parking. I did?
No, me.
Oh. Okay. We're driving up to Santa Ana right now to pick up my car.
We're gonna pick it up with both our hands.
We're not picking it up with our hands.
Children. Let's not fight, like. What the fuck? You fucking see, you stupid bitch?
Oh my God. I don't think I'm gonna make it. If I die on the way there, bury me in my car. I want your car. No. I'll kill you first.
Sure, I'll bury you in it.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
Damn, Harbor.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
To Harbor Boulevard.
Left. We're almost there, and I'm having a panic attack. Just started pouring rain.
Why?
Well, it's
is it
raining,
like
but
this?
now it's pouring. What'd you just say?
I'm not having you drive home in this weather.
You're not driving my car.
Watch me.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look, there she is.
There she is back in.
There she is. Treat her right. Back her in.
Oh my God.
Baby. Oh my God.
There she is.
Oh.
She's running.
Listen to her.
Oh my God. DNA.
Whoa! Oh, let go! Hey guys, so I finally I was like, how do I take this off? I finally have my car. We stopped to get food because it's too dangerous to drive in this. Oh, I'm like looking.
No.
You don't know my flow though.
Oh.
They call me Quasimodo.
I like your dirty bag.
Oh my God, this is not appropriate.
Better than Four Guys.
Established
Guys.
Yes, you need to leave. Decided to stop at a hotel because we did not want to chance the ride home, and I'm already fitting the stickers on that DNA garage let me choose. But I love this, and I'm gonna put it right here. That's cool. Wait, everyone, let me know.
You tell her it's hard to see.
Oh. Wow, that was easy. Wow. Oh, look at the air bubble. Okay. Not have done it when it's good. Oh,
That looks cool. It looks red and it matches the
There you go.
oh, it matches it.
Yeah.
Good with the whatever that
It's
TC
kind of off
is.
center, but we're not going to talk about it. We have no idea where we are, and this is like a bike lane, I think. But I don't. Where are we?
Oh my God.
But it's really fun, and
Middle of
it's
a
a cool
swamp.
road. Jess is in the bathroom, and we're gonna scare her. Hello.
God.
Okay, let's do that again. We're about to have our first cold start with the FC. I haven't heard a cold start yet, so we're gonna get in the car. Holy.
Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Bye, girls. Drive safe.
Where are we? You wanna drive?
Really?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, hurry up.
Okay, here I come. This is tripping me out.
I can't believe I'm letting you actually drive it. You want to show You want to show everyone what you got? Your little surprise? I don't know. Should I show him? Should I show him?
Show him.
Do you give me permission?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, Max. Maximus has big boy car now. No automatic.
No more automatic.
No.
I just got my rear coils. I got the rear coils in.
A coil rigging. Static life.
Just go right.
Right? Okay. Oh my god. It's so easy to drive.
And if it doesn't?
Back to black. It smells like bananas.
I think the Miata should be in front. It's the smallest.
What are you thinking?
This is pretty. This is all I've ever wanted to do.
Hey, we're bringing out all them builds. Hello.
Is that a skinny spot right there?
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Getting your baby back.
It is a skinny spot.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, we did it, boys. We got them beds out here. Oh, look at the line. Wait.
Oh, hell yeah!
What's up, Ozone?
That's the fame.
Stuck boy.
Hey. Bro. Is that David? Is that my bro? Banjo? Yeah, Banjo.
You guys brought the cops in.
Just got here. Just
Walking it.
Are you kidding me?
What the heck?
He says, whose car is this?
Like the most like. Wait, someone get their camera out. This is good lighting. Joke's on you. We're all stuck.
Nobody's.
So I just got done hosting my first ever meet and the turnout was so good. Even though we ran into problems with the cops for no reason, even though we were just sitting there, it turned out to be really good and a lot more people showed up than I thought would. So that was so amazing. So there was a bunch of people at the first spot. Someone who worked at a nearby business called the cops and so they kicked us out because they didn't want us to be there. And so we went to another location and they followed us and the security guard there told them that we were street racing. There were 3 cop cars and they blocked us all in. It was almost comical. So then we all kind of dispersed. Then we ended meeting up at this parking lot and not everyone made it, but a lot more people made it than I thought would. And a bunch of people showed up late. I want to say thanks to my friends Max and Aiden for taking pictures with me today. Shout out to Bernie for bringing me boba. That's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. The past 2 days have been an absolute dream. I still think I'm gonna wake up any second. If you enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe as usual. I will see you guys next time.